What are the benefits of eating almonds daily? Natural, unsalted almonds are a tasty and nutritious snack with plenty of health benefits. Loaded with minerals, they are also among the healthiest of tree nuts. Just a handful of nutrient-rich almonds a day helps promote heart health and prevent weight gain, and it may even help fight diseases like diabetes and Alzheimer's. Nutrition. Eating about 23 almonds a day is an easy way to incorporate many crucial nutrients into your diet. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, calcium, magnesium, and potassium. Additionally, almonds are a significant source of protein and fiber, while being naturally low in sugar. 123 almond serving packs 13 grams of healthy unsaturated fats, 1 gram of saturated fat and no cholesterol or salt. Of all tree nuts, almonds rank highest in protein, fiber, calcium, vitamin E, riboflavin, and niacin content by weight. There are 160 calories in 23 almonds. While many of these calories come from fat, it is primarily the healthy unsaturated fats and not the unhealthy saturated kind. Heart health. According to the FDA, eating 1.5 ounces a day of most nuts, like almonds, may reduce the risk of heart disease. Many of the nutrients in almonds help contribute to increased heart health. For one, almonds are rich in magnesium, which is critical in preventing heart attacks and hypertension. And a study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association in 2015 found that almonds reduced cardiovascular disease risk factors, including bad LDL cholesterol levels and belly fat. Weight maintenance. Nuts, like almonds, are also beneficial for maintaining a healthy weight. The fiber, protein, and fat content of almonds means it only takes a handful to keep you feeling full and satisfied, so you won't have the urge to overeat. The magnesium in almonds helps regulate blood sugar, which is key in reducing food cravings. Almonds may even be able to block the body's absorption of calories, making them the ultimate weight loss friendly snack. Because almonds are naturally high in calories, it's important to limit your serving size to the recommended 1 ounce, or 23 nuts. Other health benefits. Almonds may also promote gastrointestinal health and even combat diabetes. The high fiber content of almonds gives them prebiotic properties, which contributes to health in the gastrointestinal tract. Prebiotics are non-digestible food substances, which serve as food for the good bacteria in the intestinal tract and help maintain a healthy balance. According to a study by the American Diabetes Association, a Mediterranean diet incorporating nuts, such as almonds, helps fight diabetes even without significant changes to weight, physical activity or caloric intake. Raw versus roasted. Almonds are available in a variety of preparations and it can be tough to know which is healthiest. Raw, unsalted almonds are a safe bet, but some people prefer the roasted taste. Both raw and roasted almonds pack a high dose of nutrients and minerals. Raw almonds have more naturally occurring beneficial fats, as some are lost in the roasting process. Soak almonds in water overnight and add them to your smoothies, snack on almonds and cacao nibs for a chocolatey snack, or add chopped almonds to your Greek yogurt.